For Ultra. And if she lives and if she's the brokest person in the entire class, how is he supposed to have the essence for Ultra before me?
Go for Junior.
He's not coming.
What do you mean he's not coming?
I'm pretty sure one person somehow that room. Oh no.
कैंटीन में इतने रश क्यों हैं?
Chocolate.
Junior, come here. What are you buying?
Lucozade for me and Jaden, but if there's no Lucozade, I'm gonna give him just a kiss. Yeah.
So you buying it for him?
So both of us are getting a Lucozade. Yeah, and then after I give him, he's gonna owe me. Yes.
He gonna owe you.
Yep.
So he's borrowing it from you?
Yep.
And if you don't find Lucozade, what?
Either buy a Kisco.
You'll buy a Kisco?
Yeah. For him.
But Junior, I'm ready.
Please, just please wait, please wait. How did you buy the Lucozade?
Okay, hurry up. Junior? फिर भाग गया?
I love it. Can I take a picture?
Hindi.
Wait, no. Hold on.
Yeah, Hindi. Can I see the back? Did you do it yourself?
Wait, you did this?
What about me? No Kisco for me?
I already bought you one yesterday.
So wait, you bought 3, right? Hello. You bought
I bought
3.
you one yesterday.
Okay.
Wow, that's yesterday.
Did you do it on the
That's
other
yesterday.
hand?
सारे Amazon के पैकेट
What are these?
जूते तेरे फट गए ना?
What are these?
Oh wait.
But ठीक है ना?
Look at my glasses on.
Jonas's own.
So
Jonas one.
here we have the left one that's completely nice, but the right one.
Okay. Anyway, Jonas got a new slippers already.
Yeah, and he has boxing gloves. Yo, I'm gonna see how he's.
But Junior, that slipper is too big. Are you sure you want that?
Yeah, it can last longer.
But these are small
Okay. So you want to keep both?
Yeah.
This also and this also?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. Keep it.
These are small as hell.
Maybe.
My thumb can't go through this, you know? Like, genuinely, my thumb cannot go through this.
Okay.
Same as mine. I'm trying to fix it.
Bro,
It's too
can I feel this? Did you feel anything here? Genuinely, nothing can go. Not even here, matter of fact.
Okay.
Ah, yes, sir.
The question is, how do you send this? How do you send this back to India?
No, I bought it from Amazon USA.
How do you send it back to US?
No, you can't send it back.
What, you can't? Okay, now
That
Wait,
is
I'm gonna hold this.
that is a irony. If you buy it from Amazon, that is a irony. You cannot return.
yes you can. Mate, in India we did it.
In India you can do it. But we bought it from USA ना, और USA से यहाँ पर कुरियर का भी पे कर दिया है. अब वापस भेजने के लिए फिर से कुरियर पे करना पड़ेगा.
Oh, Junior.
Keep it or throw it.
Keep it.
Okay.
It's okay. Three,
Yeah, stop.
3, 2, 1.
बस है ओ.
No, keep like this.
Let us hold this and then I'm
No.
gonna.
Wait.
Oh my gosh.
Just like this. Okay. No. Oh, this is entirely good.
Okay, did you? Wait.
Okay, 3.
हो गया. Stop it. Go and bathe.
Oh wait, mommy. One more thing. We have to. We gotta test if it's the if it's
और मेरी ड्रेस हाँ ये मेरी ड्रेस नीचे फेंक दी उठा
Okay, that's
और तेरे बॉक्सेस आ गए
Yeah, they're amazing.
okay. My turn.
जॉनस के लिए मुझे ये अमेज़ॉन से मंगाना पड़ता है क्योंकि जॉनस को यही बॉक्सेस पसंद है और ये मैंने अपने लिए मंगाया है क्लच क्योंकि मैं मेरे बैग में पैसे आगे रखती हूँ और कार्ड्स रखती हूँ इस पाउच में तो फाइनली मैंने अपने लिए क्लच लिया है जिसमें मेरा फ़ोन मेरे कार्ड्स मेरे कैश सब इसमें आ जाएंगे Isn't it amazing? What do you say about the Blue Mountain?
I don't remember, but I think Miss Atkinson said that the Blue Mountain once snowed on December, I think, or on Christmas.
Blue Mountain have snow.
Don't know, I think. But
But what if I'll take you to Canada to see snow rain
okay, never mind. After term 3 ends.
after term 3 ends?
Yeah, probably 4.
Okay.
I'm trying to be angry. Cause
But I saw the snow rain already.
lucky,
Blessed.
lucky,
No,
lucky,
no,
blessed.
I am blessed.
By data,
Huh?
by data.
By data?
Cause Dad was the one that put the tickets.
No, I am the one who decided to go.
Wait, but Dad booked the tickets.
Doesn't matter. I have to decide to go first.
No, but Dad bought the tickets.
So
If it
who-
wasn't for Data,
So who you think in the family saw the snow rain?
you will be in my family, Mercy.
You think you'll be excited to see the snow?
Exactly,
You think so?
exactly.
No.
Even though if I did see the snow when I was a kid, I don't even know my kid memories. All I know is when I was 4 and a little when I was 4.
But it's not really that exciting, you know. I saw it already.
Well, not for me. Except
And what if you're not excited to see the snow?
what do you mean? Snowman!
Shut up.
Snowman!
Who is snowman?
Snowman!
Snowman not skinny like you.
Snowman! Snowman!
Snowman need to be like Jonas.
Hey Jonas, what we call you Snowman?
With a carrot on his nose.
Yeah, with the car on your nose. Mommy said you're the snowman because you're fat. Snowman. Snowman.
Okay, tell me who else is a snowman?
I'm too hot to be a snowman.
What is it?
He's too not hot to be a snowman.
He said he's too hot.
No. No, he said that he's too not hot to be a snowman.
I heard him say he's too hot to be snowman.
No, he said he's too not hot to be a snowman. That's what he meant. Right, Jonas? That's right. Yup, he said yes.
You're too skinny to be snowman. He's too hot to be snowman. So who is a snowman?
Data.
Did I?
Because Dad's the older version of Jonas. Because Dad eats food.
Who else?
Oh! Because Dad's the oldest of Jonas. Because he likes eating. Because Jonas and Dad like eating food.
And lots of food.
And lots of food. Like to eat mayo.
Cheese. chicken
chicken,
and all that, right?
shawarmas.
Shawarmas, right?
Wait.
Biryanis.
Biryanis, exactly. Shawarmas and biryanis. I like shawarmas.
You like shawarma too?
Mhm.
Oh, I didn't know.
I remember I had the snow, the ice cream shawarma, which is like a cone of berries, thin cone, but it's not really thin. Then shawarma in it, and that is so good, so bussin'. Then, so I told Mom to video this for a specific reason. I found that Jonas ate 3 kiwis and I ate 2, and there was 3 kiwis that Mommy, 6 kiwis that Mommy bought, and I thought he ate 4 of them, but it's not true. There was one in the freezer, and a kiwi.
Nice stuff, right?
And when I put my hand on this,
Tough like rock, right?
drop this.